It's a 2016 GMC Terrain. This crossover SUV provides your life with the flexibility it needs, with room, efficiency, and safety. GMC added chrome bracketing to the Terrain's bumpers, giving it a wide, bold look, and supports it with plenty of horsepower while staying fuel efficient. The inviting cabin with ambient lighting, Bluetooth, and a Wi-Fi hotspot will make the commute fly by for you and your crew. With 63.9 cubic feet of cargo space, there is little you'll leave behind, and rest easy knowing that, if needed, the Terrain safety features spring into action.
Select the perfect temperature with the climate control. The premium sound system gives you a rich listening experience. Hindsight is 20/20 with the backup camera.
Enjoy amazing space in a crossover SUV that treats you to a quiet, luxurious ride. Test drive it today.
Since 1995, Princeton Auto Center has delivered the best service, the best prices, and the best experience at 112 9th Avenue Circle South in Princeton, Minnesota.